Hello everybody, welcome back to Gradual Financial Freedom. My name is James and this will be our 7th episode on our stock sector breakdown. This is going to be going over the basic material market. Now first thing I want to say is I'm going to be putting a link down below. That is going to be a link that links to our last video. I'm going to be putting an iCard here that will link it to the playlist for all the sectors. Now real quickly, let's go ahead and go over the stock sectors. First we have defensive stocks. That is healthcare, utility, and consumer staples. Defensive stocks are defined again as stocks that are not fully affected by market downturns. They're usually tied to items that we need. And then we have the cyclical, that is technology, financial, consumer discretionary, basic materials, real estate, communication, industrial, and energy. Cyclical stocks are usually thrive when the economy is moving, but are negatively affected if the market downturns. Most times they're tied to items that we would like to have. Now real quickly, we're going to go over the basic materials. As you can see below, their raw materials consist of natural resources including metals such as copper, gold, chemicals, forestry products such as lumber, and paper. Now that being said, if you think about it, this is one of the ones that is really going to be affected whether or not the market is actually going up or down. When the market's going up, they're going to be the ones saying, hey, let's produce more, let's get out more stuff out. They're going to be hiring more people and they're going to be building more factories. When the market goes down, they're going to be the first ones to say, hey, we need to start cutting people, we need to start cutting factories, we need to get started downsizing. This is the fact that they're going to be the ones seeing it before anybody else. So let's go ahead and get into my 4 picks for this sector. The first one here is Rio Tinto Group, ticker IRO. Yahoo Finance currently has them listed as undervalued. Their current stock price is $59.01. They're showing a narrow pattern according to Yahoo Finance, but their short-term, mid-term, and long-term are all showing up. Now Rio pays 2 dividends per year. They pay in April and September. They are a fluctuating dividend. Last September they paid $2.12. According to TipRanks, this is the one that probably could be the biggest increase out of the entire sector. With 6 analysts watching it, they're predicting it between $63 as the low, $95 as the high. Now currently with their price at $59 and a penny, they're predicting it to go up no matter what by this time next year. Next we have Misabi Trust, ticker MSB, also listed as undervalued. They are showing as a bullish according to Yahoo Finance. Their stock price is showing as $23.51. Their short term is up, mid term is up, and long term showing as down. Now MSB also has a fluctuating dividend. Their last dividend paid 87 cents. They pay the second month of each quarter, so that is February, May, August, and November. According to TipRanks, unfortunately nobody is watching it, so we have no idea where it's going to go at this point in time. Next we have Tremor's Company, ticker CC, currently trading at $18.40. Yahoo Finance says this one is overvalued. They're saying that it is a short-term bullish market, with the short-term up, mid-term up, but long-term possibly down. CC pays 25 cents. On their dividend, they pay the third month of each quarter. That's March, June, September, and December. Now even with them listed as overvalued, TipRanks has 7 analysts watching it, and they're predicting here between $17 as the low, $26 as the high by this time next year, with an average around $20.71. With it trading at $18.40 currently, there is a chance that it might go below its $18.40, but they're predicting even averagely to probably be going up. Last on the list we have Olin Corporation, ticker OLN. Yahoo Finance has it listed as undervalued. It's currently trading at $17.65. Yahoo Finance says that the short term is up, mid term is up, long term is down. OLN has a 20-cent dividend. They pay the third month of each quarter. Again, that is March, June, September, and December. Now TipRanks has 13 analysts that are watching this one. They have it predicted to go anywhere between $16 as the low, $28 is the high, with around $20.69 as the average. Now again, they're trading at $17.65, so with $16 being the low, it could possibly going down, but the average is showing as $20.69, so it's a possibility by this time next year it's going to be higher. So this is the picks that I have for this sector down below. So RIO, MSB, CC, OLN. Now, just like I have done in the last videos, I'm going to be showing where you would be if you had bought all 4 stocks from every single sector that I've listed so far. Here you see that you would have $2,800 invested. Your total yearly dividend would be $189.11, and your dividend yield would still be at 6.75. Like before, I'm showing you where your stocks would be currently right now if you had bought it from the second that video has gone out for each sector. Here you can see that some are up, some are down. Overall, there'd be a $30.79 gain. As you can see, the financial sector and the consumer discretionary are showing all down. This is one of the reasons why I say that you must do your own research and not just take my word up for it. Now, as I've done before in the past, I'm going to say that on this again. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor. Take everything you see here, do your own research, and decide for yourself on what stocks you should be getting. Now next, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the basic material stocks that I found that paid dividends so far. Here's that list. The top 2 you can see have the 100%. That XLB is an overall basic material spread. The GDX is actually gold. If you do want to get into gold investing, I do have that stock ticker right there. You can see that MSB is on that list, showing that it's $13.92. Remember, that is a fluctuating dividend. It has gone anywhere between 5 cents all the way up to $1.30. You be careful with what you pick with it. So on this list, you'll also see that I do have some other ones in there that are listed as higher than $100. I do put them in there, showing that, like APD, you can get 0.4 parts of a share for $100, which is $1.86. But if you do like OLN, you get 5 shares for $100 and you get $4. So there is another reason why I say do your research and see whether or not it's actually worth it to go into those higher stocks. They may be more established, but are they worth it as your growth to the dividend growth investing? So now we've come to the end of the video. So like I've always said, if you do like what you see here, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up icon, help me out, get this channel out there for other people to be able to see it, and also to see the different stocks that I have picked. Overall, if you're thinking about getting into investing and haven't done it yet, I do have that link down below for Robinhood. You'll get a free stock. You don't even have to put money into it, and you get that free stock. I'll also get a free stock, which means you are helping me out. And then other than that, I wish you the best of luck on your path to gradual financial freedom.